I want to ask the President of Nigeria, Muhammad Buhari, this innocent youth, when they give for this Igbo land, what have you done on it?
Thank you, oh God.
All these innocent people where they are killing in Igbo land, killing innocent youth under the name of unknown government. Muhammad Buhari, what have you done on it? Have you condemned it? All these houses, when they burn for this east, have you condemned it? Soldiers in Imo State killing innocent people in Imo State, but in Anambra State killing innocent youth, burning houses. How many times have you stand up as a president, condemn it? The governor of Anambra State, Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, and Imo State. How many times have you people stood up to condemn the innocent youth when they kill for this land? How many times have you people condemned it? Look at what happened to Obalo. How many times have you people stand up and condemn the innocent blood the military are sharing in Igbo land? How many times have you people stood up and condemn it? Look at what military are doing. Killing innocent youth, and no governor is condemning it. No governor is condemning it. Why are you people keeping quiet? You people say when they look for non-government, but you people are coming burning houses of people, burning their houses, killing innocent youth. Innocent youth are dying, killing innocent people. And Muhammad Buhari have never condemned it. All the governor of East, governor of Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Abia, they have never condemned this. Honest and Igbo, what are people are doing? What are people are doing? They're killing innocent Igbo youth. If you people are looking for non-government, go and look for where they are. You people should stop killing the innocent youth. You people should stop killing innocent people. You people should stop burning the house of people. I want to ask all these innocent people when military they kill this side. If you now you governor where they kill your son or your daughter, what you go do? Now you will take action. Now you will take action. You will tell military, please, you people should stop killing innocent people. But because of they kill poor people and you people are keeping quiet, time will come where this blood will fight. Time will come where all this innocent blood will fight. But I want you people to remember that when you leave this world, you will give account of your work here on earth. I will give account of your work here on earth. All these leaders that's killing the innocent people, shedding the innocent blood. When you leave this world, you will give account of your work. You will think that you have power, authority, but when you die, you will see the greater authority that will judge you.
On the land of my people will come up thorns and briars. Yes, on the happy homes in the joyous city, because the palaces will be forsaken. The bustling city will be deserted. The forts and towers will become